Anki versus Quizlet versus RemNote. Whether you're preparing for finals, learning a new language, or just trying to remember anything, flashcard apps are essential. Be sure to watch to the very end so you can choose the perfect study companion. So let's start with Anki. Anki is the OG of spaced repetition software, trusted by med students, polyglots, and memory champions alike. It's open source and highly customizable. Anki uses an algorithmic approach to help you remember information just before you're about to forget it. You can install pre-made decks or create your own with rich formatting, images, and audio. The community is strong. The plugin ecosystem is massive, but it comes with a learning curve. Anki isn't flashy, but it's incredibly powerful for serious learners. Quizlet is the most user-friendly and widely used flashcard tool on the internet. It's visually appealing and designed for classrooms, group study, and casual learners. You can create your own flashcards or use community decks and play study games like Match or Gravity to reinforce learning. Its premium plans add features like personalized learning paths and AI generated explanations. Quizlet prioritizes accessibility and fun, great for students of all ages. RemNote combines flashcards with note taking, allowing you to embed spaced repetition directly into your notes. It's a knowledge management system and study tool in one. Unlike Anki and Quizlet, RemNote uses backlining and a concept REM system, ideal for hierarchical topics and deep understanding. Popular amongst medical and STEM students, it's great for those who need both organization and recall. The learning curve is real, but the integration between notes and memory makes it a standout. And now for the feature comparisons. For spaced repetition, Anki and RemNote win here as they're both advanced, while Quizlet is basic. In terms of deck customization, Anki wins here as it is highly customizable. In terms of note integration, RemNote wins here as it has a built-in note integration. In terms of multimedia support, all of them are equipped. In terms of gamified learning, Quizlet wins here as it's the only one with a gamified learning system. For collaboration and sharing, Quizlet wins here as it is the easiest among the two. Anki's is manual, while RemNote is limited. For the mobile app, all of them are available on iOS and Android. For offline access, Anki wins here as it has full offline access. Quizlet's is limited and RemNote's is partial. And now for the pros and cons. For Anki, its pros included having a superior spaced repetition system. The SRS algorithm is scientifically proven to enhance long-term memory retention. You remember complex information for years, not days. It's highly customizable with add-ons. You can modify every aspect, from appearance to logic, using plugins. Medical students especially benefit from the precision Anki offers. However, it has a steep learning curve. Setting up decks, learning the interface, and syncing can be overwhelming. Beginners might feel lost without watching setup tutorials. It has an outdated interface. It's not modern looking, especially compared to Quizlet. You won't find flashy animations or game-style study sessions. And now for Quizlet. Its pros included being beginner friendly and fun to use. You can make a deck in seconds and start studying right away. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and accessible across all platforms. It has gamified study modes. Games like Gravity and Match make studying less of a chore. This is especially great for younger students and group study. However, it has limited free SRS. Quizlet moved its full SRS functionality behind a paywall. Free users don't get the true power of spaced repetition anymore. It's not ideal for technical subjects. Math-heavy or nested info isn't handled well. It's best used for simple Q&A style memorization. And now for RemNote. It has note-taking and flashcards in one. Everything you write can be converted into spaced repetition flashcards. It's ideal for long-form topics like anatomy, law, or advanced science. It has linked thinking and backlinks. Concepts connect, so you understand the bigger picture. It's a second brain combined with a memory system. However, it takes time to learn. The concept RAM system and hierarchical notes are powerful but complex. New users may need to commit several hours to grasp it fully. Occasional bugs or sync issues. The app is still maturing and isn't always stable, especially during mobile usage or with large node databases. And now for the real world scenarios. For scenario 1, Cramming for medical school exams? Go with Anki. Thousands of med students swear by its long-term retention and support for large, complex decks. RemNote could also be useful if you prefer integrated notes. For Session 2, studying for high school or college exams, choose Quizlet. It's perfect for history, vocab, or geography. The games and study modes make review sessions more enjoyable. Anki may be too steep for casual learners. For Scenario 3, managing knowledge for long-term retention, use RemNote. Its built-in note and flashcard system helps you track what you know and how everything connects. Anki can't store rich conceptual relationships like RemNote can. So which flashcard app is right for you? If you're serious about long-term learning, especially in demanding fields like medicine, law, or languages, choose Anki. Choose Quizlet if you want something easy, fun, and good enough for day-to-day schoolwork or casual study. Choose RemNote if you like to organize your knowledge deeply, take structured notes, and build a long-term learning system. If I had to prep for a big certification or grad school test, I choose Anki. But for quick quizzes or group study, Quizlet wins. If I'm mapping out a personal learning system, RemNote is unmatched. And that's been an honest comparison between Anki, Quizlet, and RemNote. So which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. And see you in the next video.